Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Baba's Kitchen. I'm Hussein Baba. Well, again, I will not be doing the cooking. Somebody else will be doing the cooking. Now, this someone is a well-known personality in the Gold Coast. All right? And I know you're very interested to know who she is. Well, you'll come to know her shortly after this message. Welcome back. I know you've been waiting anxiously to know who she is. Who's my guest today, right? Okay. Well, she's none other than Wendy Coe. How are you?
Very well. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. I know many of you, especially in the Gold Coast, know who she is. And she's been there. How long have you been in the Gold Coast?
25 years.
25 years, yeah. Well, not only that, she's been very active in community service, right? You've been with various charity organizations.
Yes, I have.
Yes, and then wherever I go, any community services, she'll be there. All right, and very nice to join us in this cooking show today.
Thank you. It's a great honor for me to be on this cooking show.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, Wendy, I know you do different type of cooking, right?
Yes.
Even exotic cooking. Okay,
Yes.
The most important. What are we going to cook today?
Today we're going to cook Moroccan lamb on a bed of bulgur.
Moroccan lamb
Yes.
in Bulger.
Yes.
Bulger is the version of couscous?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It's a bigger wheat.
Bigger wheat than couscous. Okay, no matter what, it is healthy.
Very healthy.
Very healthy,
Yes.
right. Okay, well, we would like to know how you're going to cook, so where are the ingredients?
On the table.
On the table. Let's go and have a look. Okay, we have the ingredient here. Now, Mr. Cameraman, can you come closer? Okay, Wendy, can you introduce the ingredient, please?
So we have our lamb and we have our onions.
Yes.
And then we have all of our spices. So if
Right.
you remember the 3 C's.
Yes, yes.
Cinnamon,
Cinnamon,
coriander,
coriander,
and cumin.
cumin. And these the spices that I use in my cooking. Very often I use these 3 main spices.
Yes, yes.
Good, yes.
Then we have salt,
Yes.
pepper,
Yes.
and we have a little bit of paprika.
Yes.
We have garlic,
Yes.
and we have just 4 little cloves.
Gloves, okay, good,
Yeah.
good.
So that's for the lamb part.
For the lamb part, all
And
right.
then in a separate pot,
Yes.
we cook the bulgur, cook
Right.
it in the vegetable stock
Okay.
powder,
Yes.
and then we add the other things. So out of my garden,
Yeah, ooh, fresh. Okay.
yes, fresh, not shallots, spring onions,
Spring onions, yes.
and then currants,
Yes.
and apricots,
Yes.
and at the very end we can put in some coriander,
Uh-huh.
and also out of my garden some Moroccan mint.
Moroccan mint, all
Yes.
right, look at that.
I know.
Let me say, very strong.
Yes,
It's very
it is.
strong Moroccan mint, okay.
Yeah.
No wonder they use it in the tea.
Yes.
The Moroccan, yeah, beautiful.
Yes.
I'm really surprised that the amount of spices that you're aware of. I mean,
Oh, yes.
you're beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
No wonder she's into exotic stuff. All right, good. Now, Wendy, I'm sure all of us want to know how you're going to prepare this. Okay.
Very easy.
Very easy.
First of all,
Yeah.
we do the bulgur,
Okay, all right.
Okay.
And then we do
and then we do that.
the lamb.
Because this takes about 25 minutes
All right.
to boil on the stove.
Okay.
Yeah.
25 minutes.
Yeah.
All right. And how long will this take to cook?
Oh, look, only about 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
All right. Okay then. We'll start cooking now. Okay. Let's start. Back now, Wendy. How am I going to cook? And show us how you're going to cook.
Yes.
Okay.
So first of all, we're
Yeah.
going to do the bulgur. And
Bulgur.
so what we do
Yes.
is we heat some oil.
Okay. That's olive oil, isn't it?
Just olive oil.
Olive oil. Okay.
Yes. And then we just throw this in.
Okay.
And what we're trying to do is just toast it a little
Oh,
bit.
toast it. Come on, come have a look. Have a look. Look
So-
at that.
We just do this for a couple of minutes,
Yes. Yes. Wow.
just to toast it.
Toast it. Okay.
So it kind of goes a little bit darker in
Right.
colour.
Right.
And as it goes through, you'll be able to see more and more white.
White, yes.
Little,
Okay.
little, seeds. Yeah.
So that means it's been cooked or something?
It's just the first part of
Okay.
the cooking.
All
yeah.
right, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's similar to
Right.
the way you would make risotto.
Oh, risotto.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the Italian stuff, and it's the Moroccan stuff. All right.
That's right. So,
Okay.
so this is all we're doing here.
I can get the aroma.
Yeah.
Smells good. Smells good. Okay. All right.
And so what we do to that is we add 3 cups of boiling water.
Okay. Okay.
And sometimes this spits out, so just be careful. We just do 2.5 to start with.
Yes.
And then we tip in
Uh-huh.
our vegetable stock.
Vegetable stock. All right.
Yes.
Come closer. Come have a look. Look at that.
So that now
Yes.
just simmers away.
Okay. I'll see
Put your lid on,
Okay.
and I'm just going to transfer it to the back one.
How long will you keep it for?
Look, check in about 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay.
So sometimes
Yeah.
if you boil it a bit too hard,
Yes.
the water will evaporate too quickly,
Okay.
which means you check it.
Yeah.
And then if you need to add a bit more water,
Okay.
just add a bit more water.
All right, we'll do that.
But now we just leave that one on the back.
Wonderful.
You can see that it's just bubbling away there.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
And I'll just turn that to a medium.
Okay. That's
Right.
fine. So that's the first part. Now we'll go to that's the main one. The lamb.
The lamb, yes,
Okay.
that's right.
All right. Good. So let's try the lamb now. Now this burger is being cooked, right?
Yes.
Being
Yes.
cooked. And in the meantime, you're going to start cooking the lamb.
I am.
Okay.
Yes.
So what?
Very easy. We
Okay.
just start off with some
Olive oil. Okay. Olive oil. Okay.
Yes. And then we do our onion first.
All right. Aha. Well, we need onion for almost everything.
Yes,
Especially in
that's
the
right.
exotic cooking, Mediterranean cooking, they love onions. All right. Here
I
we go.
know. So we just need them to go a little bit clear.
Okay, a little bit clear. All
So
right.
we don't want to burn them at all.
That's right. That's what it is. And
So
still
you probably cook this just for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So get a bit of a translution. That's what it is. By now I can smell the aroma. You know how it is really good smell. Mm.
And once I put all these spices in,
Oh.
the whole kitchen will be
Yeah.
smelling beautiful.
We're cooking in the morning. This is morning time, imagine. All right.
It's funny, I was just thinking this morning
Yeah.
how, I'm Australian.
Yes.
And my parents were born in Australia.
Yeah.
And 3 of my 4 grandparents were born in Australia.
Right.
One of them was born in England.
Right.
And then only 1 out of the 8
Yes.
great grandparents was from another country. So
Okay.
as dinky die as you can get. I grew up with such boring, plain English style food.
Right, right.
But I was very lucky to be born in Sydney, in a
Yes.
very multicultural
Right,
area
right,
in
right.
Burwood.
Yes.
And all my friends were from all over the world.
Okay.
So while I was eating very plain,
Yeah.
mashed potatoes, boiled carrots,
Yeah.
lamb chop at home,
Right.
at all my friends' houses,
Yes.
I was getting all these beautiful exotic
All right,
meals. So
that's-
that's where my love of
Oh, yeah. No wonder. I was wondering for a while where to get his ideas from. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay,
so
now.
couple of minutes.
Yes.
You can see that they're just going a little bit translucent.
Right.
Now we just put
Uh-huh.
the
Look
meat
at that
in.
beautiful piece of chunky lamb.
And you know where I got this from?
Aha. You got it from what? Near your place.
Near my place.
That should be the Gold Coast Halal meats.
Yeah, exactly.
Gold Coast Halal meats. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, they're nice bloke. They're very nice. I've done a show on them as well. Gold Coast Halal meat. They're good. They're good.
Yes.
And not only that, they also help me out in the my charity.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, they donate meat from time to time. They donate sausages, chicken, lamb meat. So they're
Yeah.
good. They're good. Very good.
Yeah. And in their little shop, they also have lots of little spices.
Lot of spices, yeah, like this.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you got this from them.
I
right?
did.
You got this from
I
them.
did.
So how do you drink this?
I have that either in just milk with a couple of
Yes,
splashes,
yes.
or I have it in coffee too. It's
Coffee.
beautiful in coffee.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
huh? I should try in the coffee. I never tried it in coffee. I've tried it in the pudding, but never tried in the coffee. So you can get it from the Halal meat shop. That's good.
Brown Street, Labrador.
Brown Street, Labrador. Just about 5 minutes from your place.
And don't be frightened to my non-Muslim friends.
Yes.
They have the best meat ever there. So
Oh.
you don't, some of my non-Muslim friends are very frightened to go into something like a halal butcher. The guys are great and the meat is beautiful.
Yeah, the guys like Andy, Ahmed, Abdul. All these guys are there, that's right.
Yes.
All young blokes, good looking, but they're all married.
I'm glad you said that,
Okay.
So what we're doing is we're browning.
Yes, browning.
Browning the meat.
Cameraman, come on over, come on over. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Yes, yes, yes. Oh.
So this would feed the family of 4.
Yes. Well, I think in our case it would be 2.
Yes. I always go back to 6.
All right.
So now we put in
It's the most
all of
important
our
part.
spices.
That's the pink salt. Yes.
Coriander.
Yes.
Cumin.
Yes.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Paprika.
Paprika.
What's this one? Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. That's right.
Cinnamon and the cloves.
Yes.
So we leave the garlic till later.
Later. Okay.
Garlic can tend to burn.
The audience. Beautiful smell. Beautiful smell. With all this mixture of ingredients and the spices and the condiments, it really bring out a beautiful aroma in it.
And then I usually add just a little bit of water.
Just a little bit of water. Of course, you need it.
So it needs to brown all the way through first.
Yes, yes. Nice meat. I can see that. Nice. Very nice. Yes.
Smells
It
beautiful.
smells good, yes. For the last 20 minutes, the bulgur has been cooking. Let's have a look what's happening. Come on closer.
Oh, it's cooked. It's
Beautiful.
cooked. When it goes all fluffy like this.
Okay, it's cooked. All right. Now, you can see next to it, it's the lamb. Now the lamb is been there for the last 10 minutes. We leave for how long?
Another 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're getting there. Be patient. All right. I can smell very strong aroma. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful.
Be ready very soon.
Yes, yes. I can imagine just by looking at it. It's very delicious. I can see that, and my mouth is almost watering now. Okay, all right. Let's wait. Let's be patient for another 5 minutes. All right. Okay. Then we can taste how the food tastes. All right. Good. Thank you, Wendy. While the lamb is being cooked,
Yes.
what you gonna do with the bulgur?
The next thing we do
Yes.
is we add all our little extra ingredients.
All right. Come on. Come closer. Yes.
Coriander
Coriander,
and the spring onions.
spring onions.
And our currants
You want to do that? Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful.
and the apricots.
Look at how colorful it is. Look at how.
And then we just mix it all together.
I cannot wait to try. I'm telling you, I can't wait to try. Oh, beautiful.
So if you don't have currants, you can put raisins.
Raisins,
If
right?
you don't have apricots, you don't have to put it in. You can also put nuts in if you
Yes.
have pistachio.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and sometimes I put feta cheese in it.
Feta cheese too, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I must admit, this is the first time I'm trying this food, okay? So I'm really, really excited to find out the taste, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now that's been mixed. Come on over. That's been mixed. So you're going to transfer to the.
I will.
Okay. All right.
I will.
Look at that. Beautiful. So Wendy, what's happening here?
Well, I think this is ready now.
Ready? Okay.
And when about 10 minutes before,
Yes.
I put in the garlic.
Yes.
And I put in just a little bit of water, maybe half a cup.
Right.
Just so that you get just a little bit of juice.
Juice, okay.
Just a tiny bit.
It has
Not a
become
great-
like a thick gravy now, isn't
Yeah,
it?
kind of, yeah.
okay.
So it gives all those spices something to soak up.
All right. Now I can't ask Wendy to put chili powder there, but she doesn't eat chili. Okay.
But I can
All right.
give you chili powder.
Yeah, come. Look. Beautiful. Look at that.
Make sure you get all these beautiful little bits of onion.
Wendy, look at that.
It looks good.
Looks
smells
good.
wonderful.
Well, it looks good. It smells good. So next thing you see, whether it tastes good. All right? Okay, I have confidence. Okay, let's try. Little bit. Okay, that should be fine to try it. Oh, that's too much meat for me. Okay, that's fine. All right. Okay, we're going to try Wendy's cooking today. Bismillah. The bulgur is good, really good. Why I say it's good because you have all these mixed ingredients, this food. I can feel the taste, north, south, east and west.
Yes.
It's beautiful. And it's cooked, perfectly cooked.
It's a little bit nutty too.
Nutty,
isn't it?
yes, nutty.
Yes, and very filling.
And I can also feel the vegetable stock.
Yes.
Right? That's good. And next time you can add a bit of butter if you want. If you want. But I'm happy with this. I love it. Okay. The next thing is to go to the lamb. That's good. That's good. Beautiful. Bismillah. Let me a bit of try to go together.
I was so worried.
Beautiful.
Oh, good.
To be frank, I didn't expect the lamb to be that well cooked. Because I thought lamb you need to cook a bit longer. But that was well done. Perfect. And the texture was good. Texture was good. And plus, the ingredient that went into. But one thing was missing.
I know what you're going to say.
Spicy chili. All right.
No, chili doesn't go in this.
Right. So it's true. You're right. This time I don't need chili powder because itself it tastes good. Beautiful. And well, that's really, really nice. I mean, come try it. Yeah, please try it. Beautiful. I really recommend try this. Beautiful. You know how, as I said, my cooking is NED, nutritious, easy and delicious. So all is represented in this dish. Well, should we call it Wendy Coe's dish?
Wendy's Moroccan lamb.
Okay, Wendy's Moroccan lamb. All right, Wendy, I'm so happy that we could come and witness how you cook today.
Thank
and the food was delicious. Wendy, I really loved your food.
Thank you.
It was so delicious, easy to make and healthy. And as you know, whenever I love the food, I like the food, I really appreciate by showing my appreciation by giving them an appreciation award. And you deserve one. Okay, you deserve one. So here we go, an appreciation award for Wendy Coe. Well done. And by the way, what is this? It's your painting?
It's my painting. I did this
Oh,
one.
you did the painting?
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, beach and...
All right,
Yeah,
that's good.
water.
Very good. All right. Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're
for this.
welcome. You're welcome.
And
You
thank
deserve it.
Thank you for coming to my home.
Oh, a lovely place. Very cozy, nice place. Okay. Wendy, also to go with the award, we are giving you a cocoa pandan. This is the coconut syrup. Okay, you have the mocha syrup.
Yes.
The cocoa syrup. All right?
No, see, I'm already trying to think of recipes I can use this with.
Please do. When you have, contact us and we'll come and do another filming. All right?
Thank you so
Okay. Again, thank you for watching this exciting episode. Till then, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.